You can try this again. I could help you tomorrow. She may join us later. He might finish by noon. You must complete your work. They shall return next week. We will go for a walk. You should eat more vegetables. He would like some coffee. It can rain this evening. She could win the contest. You may call me tonight. He might be late today. You must follow the rules. We shall never give up. I will meet you here. You should respect your elders. She would appreciate your help. Can I borrow your book? Could you lend me money? May I enter the room? Might I suggest a solution? Must we leave so early? Shall we take this road? Will you attend the party? Should I bring my bag? Would you like some tea? You can achieve your dreams. He could explain the problem. We should support each other.